We are taking a look at the KROQO high-pressure steam cleaner, a versatile cleaning device designed to help you tackle tough dirt and stains around your home. This steam cleaner comes with 23 different accessories, allowing it to clean a variety of surfaces including ovens, carpets, sofas, upholstery, tiles, and bathroom areas. One of the key advantages of this device is its powerful high-pressure steam, which helps remove grease and grime without needing harsh chemicals. It also features a long 5-meter power cord, giving you more flexibility and reach while cleaning different areas of your home. Whether you want to deep clean your kitchen, refresh your furniture, or sanitize hard surfaces, the KROQO steam cleaner can be a practical and efficient cleaning solution. If you would like to check out this product, you can find the link in the description below.